The $16 billion solar industry has created hundreds of thousands of jobs, but things are just getting started. To support a new generation of American solar innovators and entrepreneurs, the Department of Energy created a $3 million prize competition. The American-made Solar Prize is helping transform great ideas into technology solutions that are ready for market.
The Solar Prize is wide open as far as opportunity to propose your best and brightest idea.
It's ideal for an innovator who wants to have the runway, the financial runway to develop the technology and actually get over that valley of death of actually having a producible product.
Through a series of contests, competitors win progressively larger and larger cash prizes to advance their ideas.
One of the really fantastic parts about the Solar Prize competition is it's a prize, and the ability to get the money without all the complicated overhead and administration means that we were able to put it to use immediately.
Each step of the way, competitors will also receive expertise, technical support, and guidance from national laboratories, energy incubators, and industry partners.
The network is there to help teams fill in gaps. So if a team doesn't necessarily have access to a prototyping facility, we are there for them. And if they don't have access to maybe find the right connections that they need for testing or business plan development, we have people that will help them with that as well.
The partnerships we've developed as a result of the American-made Solar Challenge have been tremendous. They have helped us write and rewrite our business plan, our patents filings, our CAD specifications. The partnership in this community has really been tremendous, and our partners have dramatically accelerated and de-risked our business plan.
By supporting these entrepreneurs, the American-made Solar Prize advances solar innovation and empowers the leaders shaping our energy future.
Yeah, we're all trying to work for the same future, right?
We are, and it's inspiring to be around like a lot of different, completely different areas with all the unifying aspect of clean energy, renewable energy, but completely different approaches at different aspects of the problem, and that gives us energy.
Visit AmericanMadeChallenges.org to learn more.